today I'm going to do a studio vlog so that you can see a day in the life of how I work. I'm working at home now, so every day I do make up the bed very nice. This is our bedroom, and you can see my partner is here and she's ready to go downstairs as well. All right, let's go. So one of the first things I do every single morning is I come downstairs and I pull out the blinds and let the plants have some light. I basically never wear makeup or a bra, which is one of the best things about working at home, is that you don't have to do all that stuff. I'm having a good day if I put on pants, and as you can see, yay, pants. So I'm sort of dressed and ready. So now we're gonna go into the kitchen and make breakfast. Oh, I still have some blinds to open. So, this is my studio. I work out of our dining room. Ta-da! And I will show you all of this, but first, let's make breakfast. So as you can see, we have like the tiniest, like nastiest kitchen ever. We're living in a duplex right now in Birmingham, a rental. We own a house in Atlanta, but the second we bought it, we moved here. So it's kind of crazy, but we're dealing with it for now. So as you can see, this is where I get to make my breakfast. See, this is what I'm making for breakfast. We have an English muffin here and a piece of fruit. And we literally don't have enough counter space, so I have to put my plate on the stove and prepare my breakfast here. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And my secret weapon, cold brew. Yay! Okay, so as you're walking out of the kitchen, I'm just gonna turn around. Turn. This is our dining room. This is where I eat breakfast every morning. We have beautiful windows. And this is my desk. Hi, so the next thing I'm going to do is get ready for the video in terms of hair and makeup. I like to really look my best when I do a YouTube video or a podcast episode. I mean, obviously people on the podcast aren't gonna be watching me, but I always repurpose every podcast episode also as a YouTube video, and I cast it live in the Design Tribe Facebook group, so be sure to tune in there. But I like to you know, feel all put together. It just helps me focus and helps me not be distracted when we're actually in the episode. So enjoy. So as you can see, my hair is all curled now. I've done my makeup. I actually put on fake eyelashes and just put a little mascara on the fake eyelashes instead of my real eyelashes. I find that you can be a little bit more dramatic with your makeup when you're trying to go on camera, especially a webcam, because it's just not very forgiving. And a little bit more dramatic makeup looks better on camera, and it looks actually natural on camera. I don't know if you think this looks like too much, but I think it looks okay. And I will put on some lipstick, but right now I'm going to pick out an outfit. Most likely just a shirt, because you're only gonna be able to see my shirt on the episode. Okay, so let's go into my closet, which is a pretty big room here. And I actually made this whole shelf myself out of plumber's pipe and a little bit of wood and some just wheels that I bought on Amazon. And this rack, of course, was already there. You can see all my husband's clothes as well, and those are my winter clothes. So I'm just gonna come over to this rack and pick something out. I think I kind of want to wear yellow in this episode, so I might do that, and I'll pick out some earrings as well. Okay, and there we go. As you'll notice, I am wearing yellow, which is one of my brand colors, and this necklace I wear in a lot of my photographs and some of my YouTube videos as well. I don't wear it in every single one, but when you are filming and trying to kind of create a brand for yourself, it's good to kind of maintain a consistent look and maintain just a few elements that are going to be recognizable and feel familiar to your audience, even if they're not like totally sure why or what that is. It's just that they're starting to feel more comfortable with you, and a little bit of repetition visually can help do that. So this is my look. Almost forgot my lipstick. Again, this lipstick is pretty bright, but I find that, like I said, you can be a little bit more dramatic in videos, and it looks really great on camera, especially when I back up a little bit. Make sure it won't get on my teeth. But yeah, there you go. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm about to talk to Lisa on the Design Tribe podcast and YouTube channel. Luna's here, she's gonna participate. But we're gonna talk all about the differences between Blueprint and Surtech Show and which one is really the best to go to, so I'm excited. So I just finished the call with Lisa. It was so fun talking to her. She's such a great artist and an amazing friend. She was actually my neighbor at Blueprint. Our booths were beside each other, so that was really fun. But anyway, if you're curious about going to either Blueprint or Surtech's trade show as a surface pattern designer, you should definitely check out the episode. It'll be in YouTube and on the Design Tribe podcast, so check it out there. I thought I would have time to film another video today for my Textile Star course, but unfortunately I don't think I'm gonna have time. It's already getting kind of dark and getting kind of late, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So if you're interested in watching that YouTube video, you can check it out here. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I come out with a new video. See ya.